all bad, guys. What's up, guys? You watching another video. If you guys watched yesterday's video, we actually did like its first donuts in the G80, and it honestly didn't end well.
No way! The curve! I found it. Santa Maria, Madre de Dios! Santa Maria, Madre de Dios, amen!
It was good while it lasted, but then as soon as we left, I noticed that the tires like shredded, bro. I don't know if these tires are old or if they're already worn out. I think they were pretty worn out. Or I think the cement was just really, really bad where we were doing donuts at. I probably shouldn't have done donuts on that street, but I was trying to show the homies. But look how bad it is, bro. Oh my God, dude. It literally peeled the tire. So we gotta do a lot of driving today. So I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna throw some new tires on there just to be safe. Because I do not want this shit to blow out when I'm doing like 100 and something. Because I like driving fast, brother. Go faster.
¿Quién le dijo?
¿Qué pasó, güey?
¿Quién te mandó?
Cállate los hocico, güey. So yeah, we're gonna swap out the tires. It's crazy because like they're not that bad, but like look how they're peeling, bro. I don't know. Look at this. Yeah, we pulled out the whole thing. It literally peeled like a banana peel, bro.
Yeah,
like we literally peeled the whole thing. Oh yeah. Oh my God, bro. That shit is bad.
If you like the way you drive and you hit a dip or something and it hits that spot.
Yeah, it's probably like super thin now. Ooh. Yeah, so we're gonna put some new tires on it. Shout out to my boy David at Tire Bullies. He hooked me up with these new tires that we're putting on the car. And yeah, if you guys need any tires, this is the only place to go, I promise. He hooks you up. You got the best prices, and let him know that Nick sent you. He'll get you right, guys. But yeah, he hooked it up with the tires ASAP. He literally got me them overnight. So literally the next morning, look, I already got new tires. Damn, they are probably old, bro. Like look at all the cracking and stuff. Yeah, that's good that we're changing them out. Even though that I'm probably gonna get new wheels and tires pretty soon, because I'm probably gonna go to a 19s. These are 20s. I'm actually gonna go to a 19 soon, so this will just be temporary, but whatever. I was gonna buy used ones because I knew it was just temporary. But whatever, we got new ones, guys, and we're gonna swap them out real quick, and then we're gonna go to Irvine to install a bunch of carbon fiber on the car, which I'm so excited for. New lip, new grills, new mirror caps, a bunch of carbon. You guys will see right now. I'm so excited. And if you guys don't know by now, new merch shop is coming out on Sunday, Cinco de Mayo, guys. Check this out, the Go Faster Pussy, filmed in Mexico. It's freaking sick, and I got the Mexico colors. I got the black tee.
Yeah, this was sick too, guys.
I don't know which one I like better. I like both, but dude, it's sick. Bro, look how bad this was. But how's that happen? No, I did.
No, there's a couple things. I mean, do you pill out?
No, I was about to tell you, I did a little donut, bro. And
yeah, that's what it usually does.
But I've never seen tires do that. I think the street was just really bad.
Or was the tire already like super old? Does it give you a date? Like when you
Yeah, it does. DOT's gonna be right here.
That's what I'm thinking. Cause I just bought the car, and I'm like, bro, these tires are probably old or something.
So look, the DOT.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the last two. So 2021.
Bro.
Yeah, a couple years old.
Yeah, definitely.
Bro.
Those are probably the ones that came with the car when the guy first bought them.
Never changed the tire, bro.
Yeah, he probably never changed
3
them.
years.
And like 15,000 miles.
And you did donuts. Imagine it would have popped while you did. Oh.
Nah, I knew those were old, bro. Those for sure come with the car. I think those are the ones BMW supplies. So like, what is that? 3-4 years old? 3 years? I don't know.
3 years. That's what I'm saying.
So
but imagine it would have popped while doing the donut.
Yeah.
It would have been ugly, brother.
That would have been bad. So whatever. Good thing we got new tires. I was gonna risk it and just keep driving, but hell no. That's probably why it peeled like that, because I've never seen tires do that, bro. Usually they shred like evenly, you know? That like took a chunk out. When we did the burnouts, probably.
No, that was once, and then it was already there like before.
What did we do, bro? We're messing up the car.
Don't add we.
I'm messing up the G80 already. Nah, just driving it, you know, how it's supposed to be driven. And we got the exhaust in the middle today too, so I'm excited for that as well. I can't wait to make this thing louder.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm most excited for too. It's too quiet, bro. It's like extremely quiet. It's not even funny actually. It's gonna be so freaking loud, bro. Downpipes and exhaust.
So wait, the downpipes are here already or no?
They're here. They're sitting in my living room.
So that came with everything.
Yeah. And then today we're gonna change this whole front end. We're gonna make it nice. We're gonna get rid of the ugly BMW grill that everyone hates. It is funny how it grown on everybody though. When they first came out, everybody was talking crap about the G80. Me included, bro. I didn't like it either.
I didn't like it either.
Now look, it grew on everybody and everyone loves it. Also, shout out to these guys too for hooking it up last minute. For me, they literally got me in and out in like 5 minutes, bro. I swear. It's already done. Alright guys, we made it to Orange County. You missed our pickup? We made it to Orange County, guys. We just got to Bimmer plug. This is their new facility. I haven't even went in there. We're about to go look at it right now, but we're about to change the whole front end of this car. I'm so excited, bro. About to get rid of this ugly ass grill and make it nice. This is before, so you guys can remember. Got the grills, got these things that we're gonna change out, and we're gonna add the front lip. I think we're gonna add carbon mirror caps as well, because right now they're gloss black. And then I think we're gonna do the CS wing on it too. So this will be carbon instead of gloss black as well. And yeah, that'll be a start of some more carbon. Just that alone is gonna change the car completely. So I cannot wait, guys. Then we're gonna do wheels hopefully soon. And then exhaust probably tomorrow, the next day. I know, the front is gonna look sick. It's actually the same front end as him. Besides the hood, obviously. I want the hood though, I'm not gonna lie. I think I might do that hood eventually too. That hood is sick, bro. This is the exact front end that we're gonna do. So same front lip, same little air ducts in here, all carbon fiber, and same front grill too. I believe it's like the CS grill. And then we're still debating on doing the yellow DRLs. He says he has them in stock. We might do it, brother, but the only reason I didn't want to do it is because everyone has the yellow DRLs, but it does look good, you can't lie.
Good color, I think it'll look good.
Yeah, I think it'll look sick on that color. So you can always change them out. It's literally like a little like module that you can change. So I think we might just do it. Might as well, since the bumper will be off anyway today. And then eventually I want to do the side skirts, which we are going to do soon. I'm just waiting for them to get them in stock again. So we're going to do side skirts. Maybe these two, I don't know. I'm just trying to add everything. I want to add everything to this car. Everyone keeps asking me what I have planned for the car. Everything, guys. I'm literally going to try to do everything. I want to do a hood. I want to do full bolt ons. I want to do maybe even a single turbo in the future.
Okay, bro.
I swear, I'm not even joking, bro. I've even in the talks with somebody to hopefully even get a cage in the car too, maybe.
That's gonna be fun.
That will be wild if we put a roll cage in there with the back windows down. You just see the roll cage in the sedan. No one can sit in there anymore, but it's all good. I got a coupe now, I'm just kidding. This is actually Kevin's car. He's the owner of Bimmer Plug, and his car looks ridiculous, bro. He's all decked out with carbon fiber, of course, because it's his own brand. Must be nice. And then he just put these work Meisters, right?
Yep.
Damn, bro. All freaking chrome or polished. I don't know. They look sick. Austin Yellow. You wanna know what's crazy? Supposedly that every Austin Yellow is different.
It does look different.
Different, right? They're all not the same. I suppose I think it's like a really hard color to match. So even from the factory, I don't even think they're matching, bro. Which is crazy. They look different.
Take this one over all of them.
I know. I gotta show you guys this one.
G80.
Really? I'm not gonna lie, I think I like it better than mine too. Look at my boy's F82 M4. He needs that hood that I had. Wow, bro. We seen this thing yesterday at the meet, and it's full triple chrome TEs, guys. Insane, dude. It's his car. So good. I swear I would have done this on my F82. That would have looked fire. Look how shiny, bro. You can only see my camera. It's a mirror. They're not even clean, huh? They look clean to me. If they're clean, I bet you that shit will blind you. Damn, stars, roll cage, red interior. This is literally perfect. I want a cage, bro. Bro, your car's perfect. I wouldn't change one thing, I swear. Damn, I got the taillights.
I had that diffuser.
They ripped off? Sheesh, look what Kevin did today too. But it does look good. Finally, Kevin's doing some mods to his car, finally. You're finally putting mods on the car?
4 years later?
4 years later, he put his first mod on. That's crazy or what?
Congratulations, G.
Kevin's first mod, guys. Honestly, it looks really good. That's the same diffuser I had on mine. He has to be careful not to scratch this. I literally scratched all of this, bro, because my car was so low. He needs bigger exhausters too to fill in this little gap, and it'll look good. But it does look way better. I swear you need this diffuser, guys. You have an F8X. It's the best diffuser on the market, and you can get it here at Bimmer Plug, guys. Look at all the freaking parts they have in stock. It's crazy. From lips to spoilers. Bro, they have everything. What are these, mirror caps? So many parts.
What's up, G?
What's up, G?
Chilling.
You got a new car?
Yep.
This is huge, bro. Bimmer Plug got their own little warehouse. They got a bunch of little stuff in here. Their shirts, some taillights, a Supra steering wheel. Oh, this is nice, bro. Damn, that feels good, dude. I swear, steering wheel's probably like one of the best mods too, because you actually feel it every single day of your life, you know? Like, you put a lip on, it's in the front of the car. You don't really see it unless you get out the car. But this, like, you're actually like in it with the new mod. So the steering wheel install is like one of the coolest mods ever. You got some paddle shifters. Oh, these are like the magnetic ones. So sick. If I had a DCT, I would for sure get these, bro. These are like a must. But yeah, you guys have seen Bimmer Plug plenty of times in my vlog. We have done all the mods for my F80 from Bimmer Plug. Everything that I had on my F80 was from them. the diffuser, the side skirts, the front lip, the mirror caps, the interior like e-brake, the Alcantara armrest. Everything was from Bimmer Plug, guys, from right here. So if you guys need anything carbon fiber or anything BMW related, they got it. They're the Bimmer Plug, literally, guys. Go to Bimmer Plug's website right now. I'll leave a link down below. Use code FindingNick as well because I got them a little discount code for you guys. And I appreciate everybody who shows love to them as well. It means a lot to me because I love that you guys can support the homies' businesses and stuff like that. And they do a lot for me as well. So thank you to them. Thank you to you guys. And go cop something from Bimmer Plug, guys. I promise you won't regret it. You can't lie, guys. This next to my F80 would have been sick together. Wow, bro, those wheels are so shiny. Talking about wheels, I think we gotta pick up my GTR wheels today, and that's a little hint for you guys. Holy crap, bro. It's a lot of stuff, dude. We got the grills, these little air ducts, mirror caps, and then a 3-piece lip. That's a big old lip.
Yeah, it's a big ass lip.
Sheesh. I cannot wait, dude. Oh, and a spoiler. So freaking nice. Bro, his cars gonna look completely different today. You think so? So much better, dude. Should I just drive it like this? It actually looks mean with no bumper. But yeah, the grills are a huge difference. That's like the biggest difference, guys.
No way.
Bro, I swear I'll mount it like that, bro.
328?
Imagine? No.
It does low-key look like a 328.
No way. Bro, it looks sick though with the spoiler.
Bro, please rock it like that.
I will,
That
bro.
is hilarious.
Bro, I would rock it like that. Alright, guys. All the carbon is done. We also did something with the headlights. I'll show you when we get off right now. But we're gonna have a little photo shoot before the sun goes down. Dude, this M4 is crazy. It does look good, bro. The TEs all chromed out. Damn. This one makes me miss my car. Because mine was very, very similar. Like just as low with the TEs. And it's done, guys. Check this out, bro. Come to the front end and it's a completely different car, bro. I knew it. It looks so much better too. We did end up doing with the yellow DRLs. Very indecisive, but I think it looks crazy. I'm glad I did it. It literally looks like a freaking CS now. I swear, got the CS grills, everything, bro. Lip on there, got the freaking air ducts, the grills. We still gotta put the badge on. We're gonna go back and do it right now, but we wanted to take some photos before the sun goes down. And it looks crazy, guys. The yellow headlights actually look insane. Also went with the carbon mirror caps, so these look really freaking good. So sick, bro. And the fitment is on point, like OEM fitment, bro. Also did the carbon fiber spoiler. Like I said, it looks way better as well. And again, we're gonna swap the badges when we get back to the shop. We just gotta beat the sun. What? What happened, brother?
You got scared.
Why?
I was standing on the grass. I was like, G-Snake, G-Snake.
You thought it was a snake?
It jumped out.
Oh my God, it just needs wheels, guys. Like that's all it needs. I know a lot of people like the stock wheels. I do too, but I want it to look modified, bro. I need to put wheels on it. And I honestly want to go lower, bro. If these lowering springs aren't low enough, I might have to do coilovers, I'm not gonna lie, because I like my car slammed. Like the M4, my boy's M4 is insane. It's on the floor. That's just how my F80 was too. And this honestly is like still too lifted for me, in my opinion. I know a lot of people will be like, just leave it, bro. I'm not gonna break my lip and stuff, but I don't know, dude. It just looks so much better when the car's lower. But it does look good.
I'm scared.
Why are you scared? Kevin's so scared to scratch it. Bro, mine was all messed up. All the little fins were scratched. All of this.
I already did.
Really? Where? Bro, you're gonna scratch it, bro. Trust. I know, it's such a nice diffuser. The whole under tray is carbon, bro. Like, Look at that. There's so much carbon. This is the exact one I had on my F80. And it looks so good. It's just scary, G.
I think it looks better on the GTS.
Nah.
But you had the best F80 in the world?
I had the best F80 in the world. Best F8X in the world. In the world, literally.
No, yeah. Hey, look at your build was insane.
Shut up.
Wild.
This is my second favorite, though. I'm not gonna lie. What's next?
I don't know. Just like little
For
emblems.
sale, G.
Little emblems.
No, you gotta sell it, bro.
Why?
Guys, someone buy this car. It's for sale, bro. For sale right now, 70 grand. What? It's for sale, bro. Someone buy it, guys. Yes, please. It's honestly in really good condition, so I'm gonna put it up for sale for him, guys. 70K right now.
30K right now, I'll give him, bro.
Huh? 70.
I'm down.
That's not bad.
70, I'll let it go.
70 bands, guys. Look, it's super mint. My boy even sits on towels, bro, because he takes care of this car. It's probably the most taken care of GTS. Bro, someone buy it.
Bro, 70K and I'll throw the TV.
It's honestly not bad. We actually left it without the badge because the badge that I have is like the badge that I have is actually chrome. So I'm gonna see if I can get like a black badge or just keep it like this, honestly. But it looks clean. I love the front end now. But again, guys, huge shout out to Bimmer Plug. We literally have all the carbon from them now. Same as the F80, now on the G80. And yeah, shout out to them, guys. They literally did everything today in-house too. So not only do they provide all the freaking carbon that you need, everything that you need Bimmer related, but they also install it now too in-house at this new warehouse that they have in Irvine. So that's freaking sick. And look how much stuff they have in stock. They have everything you guys need. All the lips that you break, they're all right here. Everything. Look how many they got. So guys, this is the only place to go. They have them in stock. You can even come pick them up in person or online. But again, make sure you guys let them know that FindingNick sent you, or use code FindingNick on their website and you guys will get a discount. I got that for you guys. You guys have so much stuff, bro. Even like little carbon fiber pieces. They have everything you need. So Bimmer Plug, guys, I'll leave a link down below. First link down below. And the biggest thing is that everyone talks about is the fitment of everything. Look how clean and fitted this is. It looks like OEM, guys. Same with the spoiler. The spoiler fits perfect. Look, there's no gaps, nothing. It literally fits perfect, guys. So that's the biggest thing. A lot of times you order carbon fiber online and it doesn't fit right and none of that good stuff. This fits perfect. Everything is perfect, guys. 3-piece slip, look, it fits perfect. It literally is a completely different car than when I first bought it already. Like, it's already a huge change in,
just from
I don't even think 2 weeks.
From them watching this right now.
Yeah, just
like
this vlog actually.
Yeah.
This vlog actually changed a lot. So that is insane. Honestly, like within less than 2 weeks, the car already looks completely different. And we're not done yet, guys. I'm gonna try to install the exhaust by the end of the week. Downpipes, exhaust, and then probably, I don't know what else, but we got a lot more to do.
You should wrap it orange.
I'm down, honestly. I'm down, I think. Really? I might do it orange, I swear.
Bro,
look how happy he is.
Do it. Then we can put our cars next to each other.
I would never do that, G. I'm just kidding. He's so happy. Bro, pink would be fire. I'm not gonna lie. But someone's done it already. What, bro? You want to do orange?
Yeah.
I'll do it orange, I swear.
One time, do it.
I got you. Bro, yesterday's video, I was filming the M8, and I was like, damn, it's so long. I hope it picks up how big it is on camera. The M8 4-door.
Hey, low-key, it is a big car.
Whoa.
It's huge.
Whoa.
It is huge.
It is massive.
All right, dude.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.